Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'du. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise and thanks to Allah. Because of Allah, we can study in Tariq bin Ziyad boarding school even though in pandemic condition. Salawat and salam, let us give to the last Prophet Muhammad SAW, who guide us from the darkness to the brightness, from stupidity to the cleverness, namely Islam religion. Okay, everybody, let's start the class by reciting Al-Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, are you ready to study English with Mr. Dedet Sardi, 9th grade? Okay, here you go. Okay, everybody, we will study about procedural text. So, you will learn about give and follow receipts. Procedural text, it means regarding about step by step to make something. So, the key is how to make. Okay, now, can you tell me how to make an omelette? Do you know an omelette? Okay, so look and say to me. Yeah, look at your screen and then together we say about the word. Okay, omelette. Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Omelette. That's the omelette. It's make me hungry. Okay, tofu. Yeah, that is tofu. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Tofu. Okay, good. And then tempeh. Do you like tempeh? Inshallah, I like tempeh so much. But yeah, you know, that is the food Indonesian. Yeah, I am Indonesian and I love tempeh. Next, look and say together with me. Rice. Rice. Thank you. Now again, porridge. Porridge. Okay, thank you. Again, noodle. Noodle. I believe you love so much about noodle. Okay, everybody. Again, bread. Bread. Thank you. Vegetables with peanut dressing. Okay, it's similar like pecel. So we can say vegetables with peanut dressing. And then infused water. Infused water. This is the water with so many fruits. We call it infused water. Okay, everybody. This is the example about how to repair a scratch CD. Is sample of procedural text. Okay, in procedural text, you must know about the title or the goal. So the goal in this example is how to repair a scratch CD. So if you have a CD for burning in computer, but the CD is scratched, so how to repair a scratch CD? It's a goal. And then the ingredients or the material that you need. So in this, a CD with scratches, toothpaste, water, and a piece of soft cloth. So that is the material. And then the steps. In procedural text, you need step by steps. First, take the scratch CD and hold the CD up. And then look for scratches on the CD. After that, Put a small amount of toothpaste on a piece of soft cloth, and then put the CD onto a flat and clean surface. Polish the CD until the scratches disappear. Clean with water and dry completely. Insert the CD into a player and enjoy the music. So this is the CD, the content is music. So that is the example. You can check on the book. Okay, everybody, listen to the dialogues, and there is conversation between students. This is talking about procedural text. Here you go.
B. Listen to the dialogues. Dialogue 1. Do you usually have breakfast before you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually have?
Usually, I have rice and fried tempeh or porridge.
Do you prepare the breakfast yourself?
No, my mother does it. I cannot cook.
Why don't you learn how to cook?
Cooking is difficult, right?
Not really. You can learn bit by bit.
Really?
Yes. Do you want to learn how to cook?
Sure.
Dialogue 2. Did you have breakfast this morning?
This morning, I did.
What did you have?
Rice and omelette, as usual.
Did your mother cook the omelette for you?
My mother? No. I cooked the omelette myself.
You've got to be kidding me.
No, it's true. It's very easy.
Can you tell me how to make an omelette?
Sure. Come to my house this weekend. We can learn how to make an omelette.
Okay, that's a good idea. Dialogue 3.
What do you drink in the morning?
Well, sometimes I drink boiled water and other times I drink tea. What about you? What do you drink in the morning?
I usually drink infused water.
Infused water? What is that?
It's a combination of cold water and fruits or fruits. It's also called detox water or fruit-flavored water.
Does it taste good?
It does, and it's healthy. You may use different fruits for different flavors.
Really? Do you make the infused water yourself too?
Yes, it's easy. I can show you how when you come to my house.
Wow, you are so creative.
Okay, everybody, that is about procedural text, give and follow receipts. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Don't forget to answer my quiz in Google Classroom. Okay, see you tomorrow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.